Guys, so we arrived to the campus. There's actually not much going on. There's no one. So we arrived to 대칭대학교. So we have the Sangyong Corando. Sangyong Corando. How does it look? Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is the first video of this new series. In this type of video, I just want to drive around the city, and we're just gonna drive. We're gonna see if there's anything interesting. I will show you around. I will show you what we can find over there, and I hope you like this type of content. If you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go. Follow me and let's go driving now. But before leaving, let's make some coffee from Cuba. Okay guys, so we're on our way to a Korean university. It's like 40 minutes away from here, 38 kilometers. But let's take a look, and there's also like a sports centers nearby in a small town, so let's go. So this is what a typical highway looks like in Korea. You will have a lot of cameras. We have a 100 speed limit.
약 2km 앞에서 구리포천 남양 주변례 휴게소입니다.
So we arrived to 대칭대학교. Let me put it down. Okay, I can see the campus over there at the top. Oh, that building looks nice. Now in front of the campus, can we go inside? 들어가도 될까?
몰라.
Guys, so we arrived to the campus. There's actually not much going on. There's no one. I mean, probably because it's really far away from everything. But it's quite pretty. I mean, I don't know if I will recommend starting here because there's nothing. But it looks nice. I mean, it seems very peaceful. Now we have a lot of snow. So let's take a quick look around the campus. And let's see if we can find anything interesting. So I think this is the main building. The one we're looking at here, main building. We have the Sorrento Kia accent in Korean buses. It actually looks really nice right now because of the snow. It's a nice day to come out. So we have the Sangyong Corando. Sangyong Corando. How does it look? Small SUV, affordable SUV. From Daejeon University, founded in 1991. Football and basketball. You're probably also running. Okay, I think this is enough for this campus. There's not much to see or to do. I mean, I saw like a kind of traditional building over there. I'm gonna try to get nearby, but there's a lot of things close. so I'm not sure how we're gonna get there. So now let's go to the second place, the second park I told you before. And let's drive a little bit around the city. Let's see if we see anything interesting. And let's see if we find any more Korean cars. But I don't know, it seems like a temple. I don't know exactly what it is. We don't know exactly what it is. And I'm a little bit scared to ask if we can enter.
무서워 그래. 저 아저씨가 쳐다봐서 무서웠어.
And there's also another really big here in front. I don't know what it is. Seems like a hotel.
진짜 신기해. 엄청 안에도 예뻐.
And here we have more Kia Carnival. This is from the Pocheon Sport Complex. And we have a lot of Kia Carnivals over there from the city. This what do you call, complex to exercise.
들어갈 수 있나?
So apparently this stadium, it's from the Pocheon Football Club, which is from the K3 League. And here you have 2024 K3 League from Pocheon Football Club. So yeah, we're in a K3 stadium right now since 2007. Oh. Here we have the football team, Pocheon football team, Pride of Orange. Oh, it's my first time seeing this. It's called Shirimchang. Wow.
실험해봤어?
Okay guys, thank you for joining. I think that's it for this video. If you like this type of content, let me know. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this kind of mixture of driving, showing around small towns, showing some cars, and this type of content. Let me know if you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next video.